back to another video. Today I will be showing you fidget spinner that I have traded for something. Uh, it was like a little kid in first grade because it was his brother's fidget spinner. It has been so some kid gave it to him. Then my friend brother, it was his. He brought it to school. So I went to his table at the thing. I went at breakfast. I just went over and gave him something for it, and then he gave it to me. So you're ready? So before I show y'all, you better like this video. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm about to show you. It's rusted, but no wonder he gave it away. The little kid. But see, it's a Batman one. And you see that I had to put like oil stuff in it because it was, like the berries were rusted, so I poured some on it. Look, here are the berries. Like here, see that? And they're still rusted, but I probably have to like oil it again. But like until now, just like fidget around with it. I mean, it's sometimes if you do this, it'll like fall off because I mean it's like very jiggly because the bearings. But it's it's very nice. It's still kind of greasy whenever I put it on. It was very awesome fidget spinner. They're very rare. Like you could not really like find these that much, but they're very awesome. I really like the design on it. But this one's just black. It has like 2 metal balls right there. And I never have had a fidget spinner a just 2-sided one. I never spun a Batman one, and I just keep on trying out new fidget spinners. And I think I'll get some like another rare Batman fidget spinner coming in. But if I get it, then I will show it to y'all. But hey guys, y'all have to okay. So if you don't like it, then put do not like it in the comments. If you do like it, then put do like it in the comments. But yeah. It's very awesome. Look guys, this is how it spins. Like on the ground. Like if you just in case you want to see. I'll just let me just spin it. See it, yeah. It's very awesome fidget spinner. And it doesn't spin for long because it's rusted. Then I just go. Because I can push this. Just gotta push this one little thing back. Oh, I don't really care for right now. Because, like, one of the things you, like, not pushed it all the way is, like, the water, whenever it got rusted, probably, like... But look, guys, I don't really care right now, but this is an awesome fidget spinner that is very awesome. I never had a 2-sided fidget spinner, and I always wanted one. These Lamborghini fidget spinners. I got to spin one of those before though. I mean, I never got to spin a Batman fidget spinner, but these are very awesome. I have got to say that. But yeah. And compared to all my other ones, I'll probably just pull like most of them out. Most of them you see in a video or something. Honestly, these you should like these. I'm pretty sure all. This one is very rare too. Yeah, this one is very is rare too. So this one's just a regular one. This one is dark blue. Got this one from Family Dollar. Just a regular one. Yeah, but I mean, they're still good fish spinners. I like their fish spinners. These. Yeah, I like fish spinners. They're like super awesome. No, I'm trying to focus on this one because this is very rare. So yeah, guys, if you like that video, please subscribe, like the video, and comment down some good comments. So yeah, turn on my notifications and see you in the next video.